How would you like to be AI-powered? No, I'm not talking about turning you into a cyborg. I'm talking about harnessing the power of artificial intelligence for yourself personally so you can be one step ahead of the pack. You'll have a huge advantage over others in your class or in the pool of candidates vying for that new job or managing the research department if you augment yourself with AI tools. Train your own bots to enhance the way you work. Now, you already do this to some degree. You use spell check, right? You've been adding unique words to your dictionary. That isn't artificial intelligence, but it is personal augmentation, and it's a start. If you write formulas in Excel spreadsheets, you are programming it to think like you do. Maybe you've even written macros. You are building a library of cognitive shortcuts. But you can augment yourself so much more. So let's add some AI power to your toolkit. How about an AI meeting scheduler like X.AI? It acts like a personal assistant to arrange meetings. Amy at X.AI, or Andrew, if you prefer, looks at your calendar, knows which day has a big enough gap in it to make it to your favorite restaurant and back, and then negotiates with the people you're meeting with, sets the appointment over email, and then updates your calendar. What about AI writing assistants? There are now autocomplete systems that use machine learning to suggest ways to finish sentences you start. Trainable by watching your writing style. It learns how you write, and then you can write a lot faster. And if you're a coder, these systems can even help you write code by recommending proven typo-free snippets. You can also train bots to do just about anything your way. Train them to book travel the way you like with Hopper or Pana or Mezi. Manage expense reporting according to your company protocol and review contracts and pay bills with apps like Concur. Automatically take notes during meetings with Aria or Avona. Maybe even organize your to-do list with bit.ai or Todoist. Some of these are free, some charge a little, and some are enterprise-size apps that charge a lot. So here's what I want you to do. Make a list of all the repetitive tasks that you do that you could train an intern to do, and that new intern is AI. So do your research. Look around for which AI systems specialize in what you're looking for, and as they say, there's an app for that. Pick one or two to get familiarized with and start training your bots. When you've become a fully fledged AI-powered professional, list the team of agents that you have adopted and trained on your resume and LinkedIn profile. That shows you are a standout and a forward-thinking asset to any organization.